The bottom line of whatever we have in life is finally is to serve. Like, it's not I'm saying from a preachy spiritual connotation. The bad people have this beautiful quality of being dynamic. A person who wants to do a bad thing never waits for tomorrow. Like, तुमको चोरी करना है, तुमने बोलते यार आज मन नहीं करे कल करेगा. मगर तुमको कचरा साफ करना है, तुम बोलते यार संडे को. Problem doesn't even lie in all this discussion. The problem lies maximum of our youth उनको सेवा का अनुभव नहीं है. They have not experienced it. Pillar is to help you to live in a house. The army is the pillar. You have to build the house.
So seva is the word for patriotism.
Seva is the word for patriotism.
So finally, can we begin?
Yes, I'm ready.
Too much we did not to set this up. But Devarshi, thank you so much. It is pleasure to have you on India Podcast. I know you came to know about this brand abhi ek week pehle. Right. Not much you know about us. And so did I. I didn't know much about you. But I was taken into... I would say I was really touched when somebody in Art of Living Gathering told me that you haven't heard Devarshi. I was like, about what? And he said, about India. So I was like, I've been looking out, what should I talk on Independence Day? Like, we heard him and उन्होंने इतनी depth में independence को समझाया that our idea about independence changed. So I said, idea about independence can't change. So I am here today, and that day I met you on coffee also to know that what independence means to you. But I don't think you look for it either. So welcome to India Podcast, first thing.
Thank you so much, Shankar.
And welcome to a conversation with us. And we chose a topic very close to Independence Day now, sitting in August. So how are you feeling, first thing? How do you feel like doing all this? People catching you for a podcast?
I'm honestly speaking, I'm not made for the camera.
Okay.
I have never really spoken or done things with a thing in mind that there's an audience. So it really puts me off guard. I'm best when there is no audience. But yeah, I realized the importance of reaching out to people, so I have adapted accordingly. And it's great having someone like you who's done so much globally and across the length and breadth of the country, hosted so many bandwidths of people in different fields. To be hosting me, it's a privilege for me to come on camera with you.
Because I saw you also participate in a lot of city events, initiatives. Is this your interest area where you're out in social? You had the Ganga Cleaning Project, I saw you there.
Yes.
So how do you feel like being involved in?
It's just that I feel that the bottom line of whatever we have in life is finally is to serve.
Okay.
Like, it's not I'm saying from a preachy spiritual connotation, but basically हमें लगता है कि हमें आज कुछ भी मिला है, चाहे वो whether we have a very fit body, whether we have some talent, speaking or anything, music, then उसको अगर कहीं ना कहीं हम किसी भी लेवल पे दूसरे के लिए नहीं यूटिलाइज करें, then that becomes a sort of a waste. ये मेरा it has been there with me for many years. जब मैं किसी को गाते हुए सुनता था, मुझे लगता था इसका is it bringing a change in somebody's life, even if it is bringing peace in somebody's mind. तो एक सेवा भाव वर्ड यूज करे या फिर ऐसे यूज करे कि उसका कुछ यूटिलाइजेशन होना. तो वहां से मुझे लगता है इतना यूथ एनर्जी है हमारे देश में, हमारे अर्बन पॉकेट्स में. सो उसको एक चैनल देना, इट इज अ विन विन सिचुएशन, बिकॉज जिसके लिए हम ये चैनलाइज कर रहे हैं उसका भी बेनिफिट होता है. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल द गंगा प्रोजेक्ट में, एंड इट ऑल्सो हेल्प्स इन द यूथ डिस्कवरिंग देमसेल्व्स, कितना पोटेंशियल उनमें है. Otherwise, they are lost in,
people can do that through profession. Just you are a dentist by profession. Is that the right word to say, or you're a radiologist?
You can just use any of the two words.
Yes.
Because both is like, that is what.
So you're a doctor.
I'm a doctor. You can call that.
So if we talk about your profession is the most respected one, most needed one, but through profession you're anyway serving. So should we see कि हमको serve करना है तो हम professional line and career को ही we can take it as a way?
I think this is more of a statement of convenience.
Okay.
This is people who use this sentence कि मैं अपने profession के through serve करता हूँ, या फिर मैं अपने परिवार के लिए भी करता हूँ, वो भी एक सेवा है. That is more a word sentence we are using for applying our comfort zone.
Okay.
थोड़ा सा उसके आगे जाके एक समाज है, एक देश है, एक सोसाइटी है. Now, if everybody is taking care of their own world, then what happens to the world which is in need? मैं एग्जांपल देता हूँ. मेरे घर के बाहर कचरा है, और मैं बोलता हूँ मैं अपना घर साफ रखूँ. I'll keep my room clean. So everybody in my neighborhood is keeping their room clean.
Yes.
And what happens to the garbage on the road? Then that is municipality's work. But municipality can take away the garbage. What happens about throwing garbage? So till the time हम limit कर रहे हैं अपने activities को और अपने भाव को भी to our small world, we are doing, but we are not doing enough. आज के जमाने में मे बी इन अ डिफरेंट युग, सपोज वी आर टॉकिंग ऑफ सतयुग, देन इट वाज फाइन बिकॉज देन द वर्ल्ड वाज परफेक्ट, देन यू डिड नॉट नीड एडिशनल वर्क. आज कलयुग में द वर्ल्ड नीड्स मोर देन जस्ट दिस आइडियोलॉजी कि हम अपना अपना देखें, बिकॉज देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल और अ लॉट ऑफ फोर्सेस इन दिस वर्ल्ड जो इसके विपरीत में सोच रहे हैं. तो टू काउंटर दैट, okay, there is good people and there is not so good people. Let's not use the word bad. The problem never is that the bad people are anyways very less in the not so good people are anyways a minority in the world.
But
we all know that.
We think they rule the world.
Yes, and they make the more noise. That is the point. आज अगर आप न्यूज़पेपर खोलेंगे तो 95% of the news is negative news. कहाँ पे कोई स्कैंडल, कहाँ पे कोई थेफ्ट, कोई डकैती, कोई रेप, blah blah. But in your own personal life आप देखेंगे 95% of the people are good people. How many in your own personal life are bad people? तो एक डाइकोटमी हमें दिख रहा है. हमें खबर मिल रहा है दुनिया में खराबी है, अपनी जिंदगी में हम देख रहे हैं our people are good.
Because we want a flawless society, so we are flagging the wrongs so that we can correct them.
No, it is because the bad people have this beautiful quality of being dynamic.
Oh.
A person who wants to do a bad thing never waits for tomorrow. Like तुमको चोरी करना है, तुम नहीं बोलते यार आज मन नहीं करे कल करेगा. मगर तुमको कचरा साफ करना है, तुम बोलते यार संडे को करेगा. The good people are
lazy.
Peace loving people are not dynamic. They like inertia. A terrorist never says कि यार बॉम्ब मारेंगे आज मन नहीं कर रहा यार, परसों करते हैं ना, वो आज ही उठेगा,
They
सुबह
look for
उठेगा.
opportunity.
हाँ.
Yeah.
So the 5% people who are up to mischief are people who are very dynamic.
Yes.
Who don't
Because
need,
you have to be alert to do that.
I don't know why these two qualities match, but somehow it is ingrained in them. They don't have to give given lessons on procrastination, on laziness, on lethargy. If we can change that, if we can make it a peaceful dynamism, means I will work for the good, but I'll be dynamic. Then that order is again established.
Then you need reward system. You think incentivizing people for some return on doing good.
To start with,
Okay.
but not as a method. To start with, to get people to do something good. आप 10 लोग को लेके बोलो कि हम आप झाड़ू लगाओ, हम आपको ब्रेकफास्ट खिलाएंगे.
हाँ.
So it makes sense till it becomes your nature. Example, toothbrushing. First, initially you don't know how to toothbrush. Your mother goes behind you to make you brush your teeth, and then she gives you some reward. Brush करोगे तो तुमको आज ये मिलेगा. Then after some days it becomes your habit. Then you don't need any reward. So it cannot sustain itself on reward.
Okay.
But to start with, you're right. We might need a certain level of
Because to
incentive.
do something dynamic and do something wrong, you have some reward of money, power.
Anything.
But here, when you do good things, there's no such money, power, and powerful element. So it becomes more like, why to do? I mean,
Okay.
I'm okay.
Unless person who's doing good gets that first-hand experience of the feeling he gets once he does something
Yes.
good. Actually, the problem doesn't even lie in all this discussion. The problem lies maximum of our youth, उनको सेवा का अनुभव नहीं है. They have not experienced it. So all this discussion is happening in a space where people, it's like 10 people talking of love and never being in love. तुम एक बार रास्ते में आके कुछ करो लोग, तुम गंगा प्रोजेक्ट में आओ सुबह, आके तुम 2 घंटे वहां से कचरा हाथ से उठाओ, फिर आधा घंटे उठाने के बाद उस जगह को देखो. वो जो है ना, उससे बढ़िया कोई
So you're saying that experience is what people are missing out and they
and
wanting
hence
to.
we are talking of हमें क्या देना चाहिए, कुछ नहीं चाहिए. If you have the experience, उससे बड़ा कोई reward नहीं होता.
Even the peace is an experience which people have not got, but they're craving for it again and
And that is
again.
why we have debate and discussions happens till you are experiencing something. You know, वो गाना है ना ताल में, तूने इश्क का नाम सुना है, हमने इश्क किया है. Like you can keep on talking about love till you are actually in love.
But most of the people have experienced love and gone through heartbreaks.
Yeah, so
that our youth
that
is
is
very
why there
active.
is no podcast over whether love exists or not. But सेवा की बात है तो लोग बोलते करना चाहिए, नहीं करना चाहिए. I don't think we should do it. It's the government's job, blah, blah, because you have not done seva.
We don't need a Swachh Bharat campaign in India to make us do things which are very normal. If you go abroad, the basics are very normal. The common sense is very common. You think India as a whole today is lacking that basic etiquette. Like even when I was driving here to the studio, if I had to refuel my car, the thought was like we have a whole bandwidth of people doing it. But if you go abroad, you do it yourself. So for me here, the basic has also become dependent element. So is it because Indian culture has not been able to, the youth, or we are not very able to evolve in the common basic sense of living? हमारे में common sense missing है, common approach, basic etiquettes missing है India में as a new India.
It has been distorted by the rulers of our country before independence happened.
You mean all those goes to British?
let's not name, but I'm saying rulers.
Okay.
For example, this small example that you give, like hum petrol bhande, this hierarchy of work, which work is mine and which work is not mine.
Yeah.
This concept of feeling that some people are eligible for certain work, ये चीज हमारे जहन में इन लोग ने घुसा के गया, हमारे में नहीं था.
अच्छा.
Okay, we always had a structured society based on work. Brahmins will do this,
Caste
Vaishnavas will do
system
this.
था हमारा.
It was Jati Varna, not
Okay.
really caste.
Okay.
Caste is a distortion of that. Jati Varna based on profession, which is very, very logical.
Oh, it was based on profession.
It is always based on profession. So आज भी है in fact. See, I am a Bengali.
It is not because आप बहुत ऊंचे कद के हो.
नहीं, because it runs in your genes. Genes is what? Genes is memory.
Okay.
So if my father is a Baniya and if my grandfather is a Baniya and my great grandfather is a Baniya, business will come automatically to me in some level.
Okay.
बाकी मेरा पुरुषार्थ है. But if I am a Bong, which I am a Bengali, so business is not there in 20 generations in mind. We are job mentality people. We are educated job mentality, white collar people. आज मुझे बिठा दे कोई एक दुकान में कि तुम चलाओ, मेरे से नहीं होता. So it makes more sense to follow a profession, not exactly the same profession, but the similar type of profession जो तुम्हारे जीन्स में तो जाति वर्ण यहाँ से है.
Okay.
इसको हमने डिस्टॉर्ट किया टू कास्ट कि हम इसको छुएंगे नहीं, वो नहीं करेंगे वो चीज. एंड इट इज अ नैरेटिव. इतना कुछ है नहीं.
Okay.
इट इज अ नैरेटिव. लाइक आज भी अगर न्यूज़पेपर खोल लो तो आपको ऐसा कोई मरेगा तो बोलेगा 1 youth lynched या कोई बोलेगा कि 1 person killed. But the moment there is somebody killed from a specific caste, then
Scheduled
the heading
caste.
comes like that. 1 Dalit lynched.
Yes.
Why do you need to say Dalit? Why don't you say 1 Hindu killed in Bihar?
Because they are in minority.
No, it is just agenda. We want to fuel the flames so that we feel even low about ourselves. Have you ever heard of, I'm using a very, very controversial sentence here, but it's actually, I'm not pointing hands to any community. Have you ever heard of someone saying ki 1 Shia lynched in this place, 1 Sunni? We won't hear. Have you heard of 1 Protestant killed by some? You will not hear. You will hear there are just persons, youths. But the moment there is someone from our is not the right word, from the community of India, Bharat, then automatically there is an effort by media, by people to create a narrative that there's a caste system.
So when the rulers have created this in us, why are we continuing? Why we are not letting go of the old habits?
That is why we need Seva here to awaken this.
Okay.
So either we have 2 options. Either we stay on this side and lament on that, or we take action on that. Like Gurudev Shishi Ravi Shankar, he's taking action on that. He's gone out to people. He's trying to light this lamp because the lamp it's already there. Just the awareness needs to be brought. If you go to the villages of our country, the people do live as one. In most places, there are some places where there is a hierarchy. There is certain things done. We don't need to magnify that. You know, कुछ एक इंसिडेंट होता है and people go all hyperbolic in their bedrooms. ये देखो बिहार में ऐसा हो गया. आपको पता है for this one incident कितना और हजारों इंसिडेंट में people are living together happily. Focus is on those negativities. मैं एक बात बता रहा हूँ तुम्हें अंकु, हमारे देश में बंगाल से बिहार जाने में जैसे हमारा देश बदलता है, खाना, भाषा, रुचि, रिवाज, बिहार से यूपी जाने में जितना बदलता है, आप कलकत्ता से लेके आप सिर्फ ग्रैंड ट्रक पकड़ के दिल्ली पहुंच जाओ, आपको 15 ऐसे सिविलाइजेशंस मिलेंगे. सिविलाइजेशंस, आई एम यूजिंग द वर्ड, जो आपके यूरोप में राइट फ्रॉम ऑस्ट्रिया टू आपको यूक्रेन बॉर्डर तक उसके half भी नहीं मिलेगा. The whole Europe.
So we are so diversified.
And in that diversity, if we are trying to pick up conflicts, the fact that despite such diversity, we have lived for endless time together. Not even we are not like US. We are not a baby country. We are a civilization, the oldest.
Are we over celebrating being too diversified and being overpopulated by saying कि this is our youth strength? Overpopulation cannot be a strength if that is not skilled. अगर स्किल्ड ही नहीं है आपका यूथ, सेंसिबल ही नहीं है, सब कुछ भी कर रहे हैं, कुछ भी हाथ से हम सुन रहे हैं कि रिजल्ट अच्छा नहीं आया तो डेथ्स हो रही हैं, सुसाइडल, डिप्रेशन, देन व्हाट काइंड ऑफ पॉपुलेशन? द क्वालिटी मैटर्स मोर देन क्वांटिटी. सो आर वी ओवर सेलिब्रेटिंग आवर डाइवर्सिफिकेशन वेयर देयर इज लॉट ऑफ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट, नहीं, lack of belongingness, ये तेरा है, ये मेरा है, and then you have overpopulation. Because to handle these two qualities, we needed a mind and a country based structure like that.
We just needed a spiritual base which is always there, which has been systematically eroded.
Okay.
देखो, population, corruption, these are not the issues. If you see corruption, what is the basis of corruption? It is that we lack a spiritual basis to our life. You cannot stop corruption
is
through
not
laws.
because of
आपके सामने
population.
नहीं, if you have 10 people, you think 10 people won't be corrupt and 1,000 will be corrupt. ऐसा होगा तो sparsely populated countries should not have been corrupt.
Even they are corrupt.
Yes, very highly populated nations would have been corrupt, not necessarily. You rob a country of its roots systematically through education system. Our education system was systematically destroyed and replaced by an Elizabethan education system. I have studied in a convent school. It is absurd to say that you need forgiveness of the Lord. I am telling you on camera. Repentance, that you are a sinner, these things were never a part of our culture. Our culture always believes that the divinity exists within us. Whatever you do has an action and reaction. Karma is ingrained in our concept. Our mothers brought us up saying that किसी के साथ खराब मत करना तो आपके साथ भी खराब होगा. ये बहुत बड़े spiritual truths है. इसी चीज को लेकर रामायण महाभारत है.
So you believe confession, forgiveness, all this element, the self-punishment.
It is not just confession, it's the way we have been educated. That there is a Lord somewhere sitting.
Some fear has
वो
been.
हमें जांच रहा है. There is a judgment day. वो decide करेगा. फिर लोगों को लगता है हमें पता नहीं, फिर हम कुछ करते. This is not how you go about. You bring up children ingrained in divinity. You bring them up on the roots of yoga, on meditation, on experiencing divinity. This is always a part of satsang. Where is all this? There's not. We have removed. हम लोग पीटी करते थे योगा की जगह.
Yes.
मैंने
we had
12
in
साल
school.
पीटी किया हूँ.
Even now.
Absurd. People used to talk about. आज
You
हमारे
wouldn't know what we are
we had a
doing.
PT dress.
Yes.
Suddenly एक लाल गंजी पहन के चले जाते थर्सडे को. क्यों ना आज पीटी?
And
पता ही नहीं था होता क्या चीज.
Yes.
And I'm telling you, Anku, those are the times I'm talking of 90s, the so-called romanticized version of most romantic period. People would laugh if you say you do yoga. Today you wear it on your sleeve.
Yes.
I go out and tell someone I do yoga, people are interested. Like, if I may use the word, the opposite gender gets interested.
Yes.
Are you are a yoga teacher. तुम 15 साल पहले तुम बोलो yoga teacher, people will make fun of you like तुम गांजा चरस पीते हो. Same thing जो आज meditation को लेके. People laugh if you say you meditate. Why? Because we need a certification from the West. Our education system was such, till the West approves of it, we will always feel inferior about it. Now, what changed was, the West bought this from our culture.
Okay.
Now, here is something very interesting. Import and export of the West and East. Look at what the West imported from the East. They imported yoga.
Yes.
Just realize this is a good thing, we take it. They imported Ayurveda. It's some of the best Ayurvedic practitioners
Yes.
and institutions are in US and Europe. They imported Indian cooking and made it their own in many ways.
Yeah, we have some best
Okay,
chefs
right?
also working from there. Michelin stars and all that.
Right. They are importing meditation now. All over the world, people are meditating. There's a World Yoga Day, there's meditation.
Yes.
Okay, now let's look into export. What did they export to us? They exported fast food,
Yes.
processed food, burgers, sandwiches, pizzas, nachos, stuff which was never a part of us.
Yeah.
In the name of health food, they exported quinoa stuff. All the trash. They exported pop music, nudity, porn. They exported some form of Oriental education, Occidental education. So if you forget the material exports and imports, if you see the soft power exports and imports, as a civilization, as a country, we just imported trash from the West and exported our jewels. This is the cardinal mistake we made.
So we were talking about what we have imported and exported, the exchange with the West and the East and India, our roots. You have also spoken about, when we're talking about roots again, let me not stretch it in that, but let's come to what is happening today. We have people voicing, the new generation Gen Z has come on road and they are saying, अब हम किसी की सुनेंगे नहीं, we have a voice. So this new India that everybody in India is celebrating, we see a glimpse of it बाकी देशों में भी. We had a Nepal Gen Z protest. We have protesters, youngsters now coming up on road in different countries. Do you see this is the way to question the society which you are talking about? We have aped the West. We have not reset the rules. Education system को revamp करने का जिद. Is that the beginning that you see from here? For us to uproot or to remove this, kind of cloning the West?
इसमें दो aspects है, दो पहलू है. One aspect is that there is a lot of dichotomy between our how society functions and what is the aspiration of the Gen Z.
Okay.
The Gen Z is moving faster, aspirationally disconnected with the ground realities of the country. ये है, even with the government, with the systems. So उसको address करने का एक ज़रूरत भी है, and उनको उस चीज़ को vent करने का एक platform भी चाहिए. ये चाहिए. It is nobody's fault. It is that we are moving far ahead of what our systems are providing.
Okay.
For example, I'll give you an example. Today, a government comes and says, we'll not name any governments, comes and says, तुमको पता नहीं पहले कैसा था, इतना corruption होता था, पहले ऐसा था, हमने वो, even in our families we see the same thing. तुम लोग गरीबी नहीं देखा है, तुम लोग को पता नहीं कि
हमने
value
स्ट्रगल
कहाँ.
किया है, तुमने तो कुछ नहीं.
Government is also saying the same language. तुमको नहीं पता कि इमरजेंसी के टाइम में कैसा था, corruption हर रोज कैंडल आता था. Gen Z is saying, हमको नहीं जानना, हमको मतलब नहीं, तुम कितना स्ट्रगल किया है, तुम्हारे टाइम में क्या करप्शन, हम जब पैदा हुए, हम जब से आंखें खोला है, तुम ही हमारा सरकार था. That is what has happened. The problem with the country right now is that this group of people don't have any referendum of any other government. They have not seen Narasimha Rao, they have not seen Indira Gandhi, and I'm not saying in a negative way. They have not seen Atal Bihari Vajpayee also. They have not seen VP Singh also. They have not seen Chandrasekhar also. They have just seen one color of politics, one type of politics, one type of governance. तो उनको जब हम आके बोल रहे हैं कि तुमको नहीं पता हम क्या तुम्हारे लिए कर रहे हो, बोले हमको नहीं जानना. हमको जानना है कि हमें जो चाहिए, कि हमें एक रेलवे का टिकट बुक करना चाहते हैं, हम 1 सेकंड में करना चाहिए हमको. हमारे पास इंटरनेट, हम IRCTC वेबसाइट खोल के हम बैठ के ध्यान में नहीं जाना हमको. बट द गवर्नमेंट इज प्रोवाइडिंग दैट प्लेटफॉर्म. गवर्नमेंट इज डूइंग, आई एम नॉट क्रिटिसाइजिंग द गवर्नमेंट. गवर्नमेंट ने बुलेट ट्रेन्स बनाया है, गवर्नमेंट ने मेट्रो कनेक्टिविटी बढ़ाया है, गवर्नमेंट इज डूइंग.
स्पीड में दे ट्राइंग टू इवॉल्व, वंदे भारत तक आ गए.
दे आर डूइंग, बट इट इज टू लेस, not enough at all. We compared to the aspirations of the Gen Z.
Again, this Gen Z is influenced by the West. Very
उस पे हम
fast.
आते हैं. पहले हम Gen Z की साइड से देखते चीज को. They are totally right in the point that हमारा तुम आज के जमाने में बोल रहे हो कि नीट लीक हो गया. It is not a big thing लीक होना. हम फेल हुआ है, हम एग्जाम दिया है, करप्शन हुआ है. हमारे टाइम में लोग सूटकेस में भर के पैसा देके सीट लेके जाते थे. Gen Z has not seen that, but Gen Z is saying we don't need to see that also. हमारा मतलब नहीं तुमने क्या किया. हमारे पेरेंट्स बोलते थे कि वो लोग तैर के जाते थे स्कूल. Every family has this story. Some generation of their family member swims and goes to school. My father used to swim and go to a school.
What the hell?
Yes. तो मैं सोचता था, मैंने बाद में एक रील भी देखा कि पेरेंट टीचर मीटिंग में क्या होता था. उसके बाप भी स्विम करता था. इससे तो बेटर है कि टीचर ही स्विम करके इधर आ जाए, 50 जन जा रहे स्विम करके. जोक्स अपार्ट, हमको नहीं जानना. वी आर ब्रॉट अप रिच और रिचर. Let's not say rich. We are brought up with more provisions. Our brains are smarter.
So we are brats.
Brats नहीं बोलूँगा. We are smarter. They are smarter than us. I teach students. My students are smarter than me.
Okay.
20, 25, 30-year-old people are smarter than I am.
Yes.
So they need that provision. हमको वो फैसिलिटी देना पड़ेगा. हम मेरे को नहीं सुनेगा तुम क्या स्विम कर, तुम स्विम करो, तुम लाइफ लॉन्ग स्विम करो. So this is the aspirational difference between the aspirations of Gen Z and what the government or the family structure is also providing. That is a generation gap. What happened in Jantar Mantar is a generation gap between the government and the Gen Z.
How will you build a generation gap?
It is there. Why? Because this thing that you see changed things faster than anybody imagined.
Yes.
Parents imagined, grandparents imagined, governments imagined. They did not expect, this is out of the syllabus. They were expecting society to grow at a particular rate, and then this happened. After this happened, AI happened.
AI, ChatGPT.
तो
I don't know
चला
what
गया.
else will happen. Yes.
It is happening with the medical profession also. Patients are feeling cut off from the doctor. They are saying, doctor जो बोला हमको पता है, हमको इससे better कुछ बताओ. Society is feeling cut off from the government.
this also happens.
It is everywhere.
They
The problem
ChatGPT
is here.
and come
It
to
is-
you.
Yeah. People know more than us.
Oh shit.
We are not checking ChatGPT every day about everything. हमको उतना knowledge नहीं है. तुमको आज अगर suppose मान लो यहाँ पे पेन हो जाए वो लिटिल फिंगर में,
I'll
तो
go
हमको
on.
कितना पता होगा लिटिल फिंगर के. हम डॉक्टर हैं, तुम मेरे पास आएगा. अब तुम तो 3 दिन से भुगत रहा है, तो तुम 3 दिन से ChatGPT को मास्टर कर लिया. अब तुम मेरे पास आके आया, तो कौन डॉक्टर बताओ, तुम या मैं. यू अंडरस्टैंड द डिफरेंट द प्रॉब्लम. सेम विद एवरीथिंग. पहले ऐसा नहीं था. पहले डॉक्टर ने एक दर्द का दवाई लिख दिया, डॉक्टर भगवान है. टीचर ने ये बोल दिया कि कैपिटल ऑफ पाकिस्तान इज इस्लामाबाद, वो भगवान है. अभी ऐसा नहीं है. सो we need to address coming to the point which you asked, we need to address the aspirations of Gen Z. So CJP
In a smarter
happened.
way.
So CJP happened. So CJP का ये एक function था. Gen Z is looking for answers. Now coming to your second point, is there are some people who are using this whole ruse. This is very true. The problem with the Gen Z is that, again I'm sounding preachy, is that in this race to मेरा aspiration का क्या, मेरा अच्छाई देखो, they are forgetting that this is a nation with a lot of powers trying to do good for it and bad for it. And those powers are just looking for a catalyst to hold on to.
So they're being used.
Yes, I'll tell you how they are being used. Suppose I don't want the good of the country, but I don't have the capability to get 1 lakh people in one place. हमारे देश में आज किसी का नहीं है अपने से. So organically जब कोई भी लोग
कोई political
फार्मर्स
party
नहीं है, जंतर मंतर में 1 लाख लोग खड़े करने की एबिलिटी नहीं है, पर जब किसान लोग आ रहे हैं मुद्दा लेके, स्टूडेंट लोग आ रहे हैं मुद्दा लेके,
मणिपुर को
लेके आ जाएगा, तब these people, if again I am naming politicians, if you think that Rahul Gandhi or Arvind Kejriwal, you can cut off if you want from the sense. If these people are interested in the education of our country, then we have got it totally wrong. These people are the last people who are concerned.
Is Modi interested in the education?
Definitely. If you ask me, Modi is. Modi is definitely interested. There has been not a single step from Modi to say that he is not interested in
Then why
education.
would he take 10 days break to come with a step?
Because the step has nothing to do with reforming the education system.
Then he was watching the whole
That has nothing.
set.
You asked me the question about education system. Even after the resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan, that has nothing to do with the education system. That was just to quieten the protesters. That's a tactical step. If you, Dharmendra Pradhan is an excellent minister. He's done excellent and amazing good work in his field.
So with the Gen Z thinks that they can create fear. That's what the...
Gen Z is just, देखो Gen Z का गुस्सा था, जायज है.
But they want to create a fear. If you
गुस्सा
don't do
और
our
मुद्दा
job,
is
we
two
can get
different
the
things.
power
गुस्सा और मुद्दा are
evicted.
two different things. मेरे को गुस्सा है, तुम मुझे मुद्दा सेल कर रहे हो. I am angry at something. You are giving me the platform and the issue to be angry on. That's what happens.
So that issue is not theirs also. They're just grabbing on that.
धर्मेंद्र प्रधान रेजिग्नेशन कर लिया ना.
हाँ.
क्या बदला?
They said हमने fear डाल दिया
उनको छोड़ो.
government.
तुम क्या हाँ, fear डाल दिया.
अब मिनिस्टर्स लोग अपना काम ढंग से करेंगे. सब डरेंगे कि प्रोटेस्ट हो जाएगा.
अच्छा.
I don't
और अगर
think
वो
so.
रिजाइन नहीं करता तो मिनिस्टर आराम से बैठ रहे थे.
So they would have continued. It would have gone nowhere.
रास्ते में कभी कभी दो ड्राइवर्स के बीच में झमेला होता है, वो गाड़ी पार्क करके लड़ाई करने लग जाते हैं, पीछे लाइन लग जाता है गाड़ियों की. नथिंग इज सॉल्व्ड आउट ऑफ दैट. इट इज जस्ट आवर ईगोस. सीजेपी सेज इट्स माय ईगो, आई विल नॉट ब्लिंक. द गवर्नमेंट आल्सो केम फ्रॉम दैट सेम प्लेस. हमारा ईगो है, हम भी रिजाइन नहीं कराएंगे. इट वाज अ क्लैश ऑफ ईगोस. फाइनली समवन हैड टू ब्लिंक. एजुकेशन सिस्टम इज अ थर्ड पार्टी इन दैट, जिसके ऊपर किसी का फोकस नहीं है.
It is just a topic.
Narendra Modi is doing enough. See, you cannot be sincere about something and not sincere about something else. Either you are sincere or not. So the question is Narendra Modi a sincere prime minister or not?
Yes.
You cannot say, is he sincere about education? I am a professor in my department. I am a sincere professor or I am an insincere professor. I cannot be sincere toward exams and insincere
Saying
toward
he doesn't have
lectures.
some favorite subject as defense or geopolitics, because that's what people branded him. That he's more concerned about geopolitical relations. हमारा देश पूरे मैप में कैसा लगे rather than हमारे घर में क्या हो रहा है.
That is what happens when you actually do good. If you are not excellent at something, then this allegation doesn't come.
Okay.
Like you are good in speaking,
Yeah.
so your parents will tell you she spends most of the time hosting podcasts instead of studying.
Yeah.
If you are not good in speaking, this allegation won't come to you. Because the government is so good in geopolitical equations, and I'm not even taking the discussion there. The government is so good in handling economy that they're facing the allegation they're not doing enough for education. If the government was as pathetic as the Manmohan Singh government in handling anything, so there would have been no allegation. सब चीज में ही बर्बाद है. तो तुम अलग से क्या गाली देगा? Person who's good for nothing is never accused of being good for something.
Yeah. So bright.
So I think there's a coffee.
It's for you also. You'll
Thank
have.
you.
Yeah.
Do I have a choice?
No. Even a coffee for her. एक और coffee डाल.
No, I think I don't have. But you have
Why
to keep the
won't you
coffee
have?
here.
Yeah, keep, but you'll have no.
No, I won't have. So you can give it to Nilakshmi. Nilakshmi wanted a coffee. Give. इखाने रखो ना.
Are you sure you won't have
I
it
won't have
at all?
coffee.
ठीक है.
Okay, दाओ ना मैडम को
कब
दाओ.
चाहिए? कब दिखेगा नहीं वैसे भी मैम को.
ठीक है, एक कप दे देना.
This is like a moving, ongoing on-air podcast. हमारे सेट पे सब बीच में चलते हैं. We don't do cuts.
That's good.
फिर एक चलते फिरते सब घुस
फिर तो
जाओ.
बाद में कट कर दोगे जो करना.
हाँ. So the editor calls this. Like और भी चीज कर लीजिए आप. बीच में मेल भी कर लिया कीजिए. But that's easier, no, somehow.
True. It keeps the flow together.
But it's so true what you're saying. But ऐसे अगर
It's a little difficult to digest. We need to create that space. We have to.
when I'm talking to you, I'm feeling like I can imagine myself. I'm a middle child, and my brother and my sister. So I see the middle one is always, suffering, but the younger one is the Gen Z, जो खाली आके डिमांड करता है ये चाहिए ये चाहिए ये चाहिए ये चाहिए. जो बड़ा वाला है वो कॉम्प्रोमाइज होके चला गया. जो बीच वाले tries to break the rule and make a space for self and others. So I see there's a fix again. There's a beach wala, someone has to get squeezed. Who is that in between the generation which will sacrifice? Is that the millennial? Is that
I don't think it will be specific generation. I think we have to work in harmony. We have to take lessons from Nepal. We have to take lessons from Bangladesh. I'm not saying we'll become Nepal or Bangladesh. I'm just saying lessons lena padega. Gen Z is myopic. Let me use a very strong word. Is very myopic. They do not see beyond their issue.
they're not visionaries?
हाँ, they दिखता नहीं और कुछ नहीं दिखता उनको है मेरा को डिजाइन करो हमारा and they अच्छा another thing is again I'm speaking a little out of context here. Somewhere we have to inculcate the feeling nahi, this truth in people that everything in life you can't get fairly. I'm saying a very revolutionary thing. Life is unfair is something we need to inculcate in our lives. The more we hold on to this idea of justice and fairness, more we feel we have been wronged, the more there will be disruption and chaos because that is not how life works. What is fairness? Today,
कुछ गलत हुआ है तो मेरे साथ सही होना चाहिए किसी इवन एट द लार्जर पर्सपेक्टिव नॉट इंडिविजुअली कुछ गलत हुआ है हमारे कुछ लोग मर गए हैं तो हमको जस्टिस दो उनकी जान के बदले गिव अस सम
वो तो
ट्रांजैक्शन
सिलेक्टिव है ना. It is selective outrage. It
फेयर
is
होना
like
चाहिए कुछ
people loving their pets and eating non-veg.
हाँ
It is selective ना. तुम choose करो तुम्हारे कौन तुम्हारा victim है कौन नहीं. I have seen people. They love pets
so
and
what
they,
fairness are we saying life is unfair
इसको accept कर लो. That's how we moved on in life.
we want happy ending
See, I was ragged. I'm talking personal now. I was ragged 6 months without head or tail of it. 6 months. The day I joined my college, before I stepped foot on my college corridor, I was told to walk down the street and shave my hair off.
oh my
I
god
entered my college with my head shaven. I was an 18-year-old boy then.
and this can
Not
take you
here,
to
in
make
Karnataka.
oh
I contemplated leaving the college. I was made to take bath in the outside of my window के बाहर जो garnish होता है every Sunday. We were made to eat kacha rice and masala for 6 months for dinner. I have on record I'm saying it because I belong to a generation when Supreme Court had not banned ragging. 6 months.
so today you might feel like I was injustice happened to me I want to take revenge
All I can feel whenever any injustice happens that it is okay. That's what happened to every one of us. We
that's
became okay
that's
with
a
the world.
giving attitude
No,
like,
it happens to you. Same thing happens to the army. What happens to the army? Civilian life से निकलते हैं, लगे उनको बोलते सीढ़ी चढ़ो, कादा में कूदो, इधर चलो, मार पिटाई चलता रहता है. 6 महीने बाद, have you ever heard of an army man coming and saying यहाँ पे खाना अच्छा नहीं है, खिचड़ी सख्त है, दाल पिघला हुआ नहीं? Army man doesn't comply. Why? Because they're ingrained in their upbringing, in their training is that this is how life is. Same thing happened
so you're
with
saying
us.
accept everything without a question
You can't accept it intellectually. You have to go through a phase in life through this.
okay
क्यों होता है ये? Why is ragging so essential to? I'm not supporting ragging as an intellectual point. I am saying मेरे life में तो हुआ. My भिंडी fry would be the way I want it when I was at home. मेरे को भिंडी नरम चाहिए, मेरी दीदी को सख्त चाहिए. मेरे को 3 बार नॉनवेज खाना चाहिए, मेरा मछली यही तीनों में से होना पड़ेगा. दैट इज हाउ आई वाज ब्रॉट अप टिल द डे आई लैंडेड इन मणिपाल. उस दिन से मेरे को रात को सांबर आई ओनली हैड विद डोसा इन लाइफ. मेरे को रोज रात को सांबर और चावल खाना पड़ा. मेरे को बाल द टाइम व्हेन वी लुक फॉर टू बी अट्रैक्टिव टू women or girls, my head was shaved off.
it's a humiliation also
It is also a way of becoming free of your own cages.
oh yeah so it's how you look at things
No, you become that person. You don't look at things. Whatever you eat, I go to the train में वो खाना आता है ना 40 रुपए का, मैं ऐसे खाता हूँ, लोग हाँ करके देखते, बोले यार तू, मतलब my friends only, बोलते यार तू ऐसे खुशी से कैसे खा रहा है, बोले यार क्या खाना है यार. It happens, no. तो इससे क्या होता है ना, ये सेंस ऑफ एंटाइटलमेंट कम हो जाता है कि मुझे ये मिलना पड़ेगा. मोमेंट एंटाइटलमेंट कम होता है, सेवा भाव आता है.
so it is connected so we
It is
should not
connected.
approach our work with that entitlement or the demands with the government it should be ये नहीं हमारा हक है
अब
it should be put out in a way that is good for the nation
True.
so let us approach
डेफिनेटली
it in a
जाना
right
चाहिए.
way
क्यों नहीं जाना चाहिए? हम बैठ के हेड शेव किया, मतलब थोड़ी हम बोल रहे कि जो जेंजी है उसका हेड शेव कर दो. आई वुड नॉट से दैट, बट आई एम सेइंग देयर इज अ डिसेंसी, डेकोरम, देयर इज अ मेथड एंड एन बिगर विजन कि यार ये हाईजैक ना कर दे. People in Bangladesh did not know that they are bringing their country to the ground. They were also feeling from a sense of righteousness. उन लोग भी तो वहां से, नेपाल भी वहीं से किया, बिकॉज ये सब चीज बाहर से होता है. ये सब चीज यहाँ से नहीं
Yeah,
होता.
we had a lot of narratives where they say it's all moved by US and China and
ये सब
Nepal
होता है.
and
How will you destabilize?
Mhm.
Having said that, the government also का भी दोष है in that way. The government thinks कि हम जो भी में सेम नैरेटिव क्रिएट करेंगे कि कांग्रेस के टाइम में ऐसा था और चुप करा देंगे
like
लोगों को,
parents
मीडिया
think
मैनेज
अरे
कर
बच्चे हैं हम
देंगे.
चुप
ऐसा
करा
नहीं
दें.
होता.
Some बच्चा can go
It is good that
dangerous
happened. Whatever happened was excellent.
for everyone to
It is
learn.
good for the whole country. ये जो CJP हुआ, जो हुआ, बहुत बढ़िया हुआ. मोदी जी के ऊपर नहीं आ रहा हूँ मैं बोल रहा हूँ कॉम्प्लेसेंसी की कोई जगह नहीं है. तुम्हें हमने वोट दिया हर मुद्दे पे. फिस्कल्स पे वोट दिया, राम मंदिर पे वोट दिया है. तुमको हमने डेवलपमेंट में वोट दिया है, तुमको हमने इंपोर्ट एक्सपोर्ट पे वोट दिया, ऑयल मैनेजमेंट के लिए वोट दिया, तुमको हमने वोट दिया फॉर मेंटेनिंग कमल हर चीज. तुम्हें हर चीज का फायदा मिला है वोट का. अब तुम कॉम्प्लेसेंट मत हो. तुम्हारे ऊपर ही रहेगा हमारा वोट, मगर कॉम्प्लेसेंट मत हो. अच्छा है.
There's no time to
हाँ,
rest.
पर उतना ही रखना है. कृष्ण भगवान जब नदी क्रॉस कर रहे थे तो पानी जब ऊपर आया तो नाक तक आ गया ना. तब कृष्ण भगवान ने बच्चा बेबी कृष्ण तब उन्होंने हाथ रख दिया ना नीचे बास्केट से. जब उसको बास्केट में कैरी कर रहे थे, ले जा रहे थे बच्चा इसको, तब भगवान ने रख दिया ना हाथ नीचे. तब जाके ना पानी वहीं रुक गया. तो इसका क्या मेटाफोरिकल
Enough
मीनिंग
is
है?
enough.
एवरीथिंग कैन कम अप टू द नोज, नॉट मोर देन दैट. तो नाक तक आना चाहिए पानी. नहीं आएगा तो जिंदगी ऐसी
You
चलेगी.
should become a youth voice.
I
You
am
speak
already a youth
better
voice
than
in my
Rahul for sure. But coming to
Speaking then, who's
also
better than Rahul?
no,
Who's Rahul?
the great Rahul Gandhi we have, who's
Come on,
now trying to keep reinventing. That's not even
He's
a
amazing. He's one person I like in politics. Honestly,
Really?
I'm not being sarcastic.
yeah.
He's the only guy in Indian politics who's got his life sorted. Fight for elections, make a sound, go off to Venezuela, come back, again shout, again go off to Colombia. मोदी जी बोलो, ये सब तो इसमें फंसे हुए हैं. देश का काम करेंगे वो चीज. राहुल, look at Rahul. I would, if I was in politics, I would want to be Rahul Gandhi. And I'm not being sarcastic on camera. ये बंदा की life sorted है.
He just needs to. It's like acting, giving a.
He got
yeah.
born with a silver spoon in his mouth and he has made 100% utilization of that. इस पे कोई खराबी नहीं. लोग जो राहुल
No
गांधी को
conflict.
they are people who themselves don't understand वो जिंदगी में क्या चाहते हैं.
उसके
If you are sorted, you will like राहुल गांधी. उस बंदे को देखे हो, उसके डिमीनर में, कपड़े में, कहीं भी उसका वो कोशिश ही नहीं करता दिखाने की वो पॉलिटिशियन.
You call him Pappu, he's
वो यूरोप
okay.
चला जाता है.
Yeah.
मैं भी ऐसा ही हूँ. I am sorted that way. डॉक्टर मैं ऐसा नहीं ओटी में बैठ के परेशान होकर घूमे. I am not मोदी जी in medicine.
Yeah.
I am राहुल गांधी.
True.
तो I like राहुल गांधी is my idol. This guy people should learn. इसके ऊपर एक separate chapter होना चाहिए.
Yeah.
Moral life lessons from Rahul Gandhi. How to get your life sorted.
To not do anything.
See, that's what we do with all professions. तुम ये हो ना, तुम पहला पॉडकास्ट खत्म करोगे, फिर you will go out and party in the evening.
Yeah.
Or you will not spend whole night podcast है ना.
I'm Modi in that. So.
Oh, you are Modi in that. Okay, but unlike you, some people have, most people work it out that way. मेरा हो गया काम. तो राहुल गांधी को लगता है he is in a job.
Job.
उसको इतना
Job
दिन का
for the
काम है,
nation.
वो
Yeah.
कर लेता है. अच्छे से करता है.
No, very nice. He's good for content making for sure.
Oh yes, he's good. It's sorted out. Youth should learn from
But
him.
now this is beautiful. You've just cleared all the CJP. You've congratulated them for doing a good job.
No, great.
Now, when you have to tell us what kind of independence we should look for this time. What is independence? We should look for independence of our own understanding of things. हो गया British से तो independence हो ही गया. I don't know. उसी का झंडा घुमाते रहे कि we have a better way to look at Independence Day from here.
A lot of things. We need to change mindsets. We need to.
Should we change the narrative as to look at Independence Day beyond that one day that happened?
वो हो गया.
हो गया ना.
But हाँ, why do you celebrate birthdays?
That I'm born, like to
Why do you
remember.
celebrate that? Logically, rationally. What is this? It's my birthday. What is your birthday? You're born. That's a technical fact. It's on your birth certificate. What is there to make a song and dance about it?
Celebrate yourself.
It is no. It is basically in one word. Your birthday is an excuse.
Okay.
It is an excuse. It is an excuse to be happy. It's an excuse to share gifts. It's an excuse to feel special. But finally, it is an excuse. Same with independence. It is an excuse to remember.
That this day you got free from a rule.
Yes, and we should not feel that we are entitled to this. You know, when we talk about freedom movement, when we talk about Bhagat Singh, when we talk about Nathuram Godse, when we talk about Patel,
You're missing Gandhi.
then I'm talking of patriots. So then it gives us a sense of gratitude. History का purpose is two things. One is to learn from its mistakes. Another is to be grateful.
Okay.
Because gratitude से नहीं आएंगे ना, then we will keep on becoming the brat that we are becoming as a society.
Okay. Hmm.
We were not entitled. People gave their lives. It is not to glorify them. It is to make us humble.
Okay.
You don't make that person bigger by saying Patel did this, but you become a humble person. यार मेरे को तो
That
नहीं मिलता
somebody
नहीं
has done something for
हाँ,
us.
something. And not just about pre-independence, post-independence, cutting across political spectrum. आज अगर मनमोहन सिंह फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर नहीं होता, नरसिम्हा राव प्रधानमंत्री नहीं होता, we would still be buying Lux
Yes, they
and Hello
opened the
shampoo.
market.
हाँ,
Yeah.
in one day. They did not open it over 5 years. They opened it in one day. है ना? If Indira Gandhi was not there, we would not be able to fight Pakistan and Bangladesh we fought at that time. I'm cutting across political spectrum. तुम grateful तो रहो, गाली देना easy है. So history is an opportunity for us to be grateful. The Independence Day is an excuse for us to be grateful, number one. Independence Day is also an excuse for us to remember what is going wrong in our society and correct it. Society में दो तरीके से गलत होता है, एक जो बाहर गलत हो रहा है, रेप, मर्डर, करप्शन, ब्ला ब्ला, और एक है जो अंदर हमारे माइंडसेट्स. आज भी हमारे there is a difference in the way we look at a daughter and a son. We need to correct that mindset. I teach in Jharkhand. बंगाल में बड़ा होकर मुझे पता ही नहीं था ये. Bengal doesn't have this. Bengal doesn't. In fact, Bengal में daughter is the dominant. It's a female. It's a feminine society. But when I went to Jharkhand, I was shocked. All the women are studying there in medicine to get married. But that's how they are brought
But
up.
you go to Meghalaya, it's even different.
It's totally different.
No, the women,
Meghalaya में you are
I was
kidnapped.
amazed. Oh,
You don't know this.
I thought women are more
I'll
powerful
tell you what
because of
happens
the
in
matriarchal.
Meghalaya. Suppose I propose to you. Very hypothetical. And you say no. I go back to my family and I say I propose to Anku and she said no. Then my family approaches. I'm telling you from the horse's mouth. This is what happens. And this is how the culture in Meghalaya. Then the family comes to you and says, you said no. Oh, sorry. I'm totally sorry. Ulta. You propose to me. I say no.
Yeah.
You go to your parent and say, Devarshi said no. Then your family comes to me. Hello, brother. You said no to my daughter? I said, yes, no. I said, I can say no. I don't like you. Second time, they again approach me through relatives. Hello, did you say no to her? I said, yes, I said no. Third time, you're kidnapped by your family. I'm kidnapped. Taken into your custody. And then your family holds me and says that, will you marry Anku? Or there is some consequence which I've forgotten, so I'm not telling that. I've forgotten that. What's a consequence? जिसके कारण उसको हाँ ही बोलना पड़ता है. So there is never a possibility of a guy saying no to a girl.
Which is extreme again.
I'm telling you from the tribals of Meghalaya.
So it's not a fair space.
This is our culture. No, but it is somewhere fair. Achha.
Because women are given more power.
I'll tell you more. If you have 3 daughters, then how does it work? Parents ka wealth equally amongst 3?
Yeah.
Or 3 daughters में in Meghalaya it is not like that. सबसे कम मिलेगा eldest को, उससे ज़्यादा middle को, उससे ज़्यादा youngest.
What the hell?
Why? Because the youngest has to live longest to support the parents.
So the logic is very...
It is amazing हमारे cultural roots कैसा है. ये मैंने kidnap वाला और भी कहीं सुना मैंने. I think she only was saying. बिहार में भी है ये चीज़ कि लड़की लोग किडनैप कर सकते हैं लड़के. What I'm saying हमारे कल्चर से ये हट गया है. आज we need to correct this mindset कि भाई एक लड़की और एक लड़का सेम है. आज भी शादी के टाइम में बात करने जाते बोलते क्या दोगे शादी में. आज भी हम लोग जब एक मैट्रिमोनियल में लिखते हैं हम लिखते हैं टॉल कायश बॉय वांटेड फॉर. You are in which century?
But this equality is also gone wrong. I think where men are also suffering now, in the urban space at least, when you do too much of the equality demand, I think the equality should not be of just equal right, but also women should have the potential to work as much as a man works, and man should have the sensitivity to understand emotions or
But the
situation.
sense of chauvinism is deep rooted in a man in India. Deep rooted. You
Even,
feel entitled.
but you
to
don't think the feminism have been taken too much in a... Because
That's
when
a different
women are...
context.
Okay.
दो separate चीजें. दोनों का अलग problem है. Feminism is a separate problem. Chauvinism is you cannot address one with the other.
So do we need to replace one with the other?
We
Can
need
we
to
remove
remove
chauvinism with feminism?
We cannot.
That's
Both
not a
have
tool.
To go.
Both
have to go. Women need to realize they are not men. And men need to realize that just because they can have a better chance of earning or they are
Providers.
more likely to be providers doesn't mean they are decision makers.
Okay, that's a simple way to understand.
I earning and my partner taking care of the house is 2 equal responsibilities. I'm not saying she has to take care. She has a freedom to do what she wants to, but she has to do what she wants to. I choosing marriage, I should not be deciding because I am the boy. How can I take dowry? It's based on the principle that I'm going to earn the rest of my life. That's stupid. Who takes care of your children? Who takes care of your family?
So where will this new India go? Will it go to being more global? Because you don't want us to ape West. आप नहीं चाहते हम पूरा West को copy बने. तो हम global जाके क्या करें? We will
I will
exchange.
quote Shishi Ravi Shankar. He says, deepen your roots, broaden your vision. Your roots should go deeper.
Our roots are also very archaic and very old school.
No, roots doesn't mean that. Roots means understanding the basis of our traditions and cultures is actually very vibrant.
What will you understand, Sati? Like when do you say roots, you want to go to the
What
old
is Sati?
practices, burn the lady because the husband dies.
No. Sati is an act of self-respect.
Johar, Sati is an act of
For
self-respect.
that, you have to go and meet people who went through that.
It is an act of fear ki
No,
they
no.
will be gang raped, so let them burn into fires.
You
Or it's a shame that you're a widow now.
No, what would you do? Self-preservation or compromise your self-respect for survival?
Maybe become empowered or powerful
No.
to
We're in
fight
the
the
face
man.
of a threat. What threat? What are you talking about? When you're talking of Sati and Johar, why aren't you talking of the invaders who come and rape you? I mean, rape the women who do this.
They didn't have the power to fight them back.
So that is the point. Instead of questioning people who did all these crimes, we question the pratha. The pratha is one of self-respect. Women were never forced to jump onto not never, at least for the spirit of it when it started. For a long time, women did that willingly. Even now today in Marwari Gharo Gharo mein, the primordial deity which is worshipped is Sati Devi. Absurd to call Sati as a negative pratha. It is all a Western template on this. I am not supporting the pratha in its the form in which it was.
When there were no invaders.
Yes.
You're protected, then you should stop
Yes,
it.
Johar happened like that. I have spoken to the.
You're saying when the war is done, then the army can receive.
I have spoken to the descendants of Maharana Pratap, who are still alive today. They say it was the most. We used to have tears in our eyes of pride when we used to see our family members committing Johar. Template है यार. तुम्हारे लोग आके काट छील के रेप करके चले गए, उसको तुम क्वेश्चन नहीं करते, उसके ऊपर चैप्टर लिखते हो. तुम्हारे हिस्ट्री बुक में चैप्टर में आई हैव रेड चैप्टर्स. 1 chapter on Babar, 1 chapter on Aurangzeb, 1 chapter on Shah Jahan, 3 lines on Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, 2 lines on Kabir Das. I'm not talking religion here. 2 lines on Sant Kabir. Hardly any lines on Rumi. If you think I'm making Hindu-Muslim narrative, I'm telling you. Rumi, Sufi poet. These are essentials of a child's upbringing. I never read a line on Rabindranath Tagore unless I took Bengali as a language. तुम ये सब ना सिखा के तुम बैठ के सिखा रहे कि बाबर कहाँ पैदा हुआ के अशोक को नाम दे दिया था ग्रेट. वो जब तक ना वो बुद्धिस्ट बना वो तो पागल था. इनको छोड़ दो, ब्रिटिश लोग को देख लो. My parents talk of British buildings and bridges like they have saved us. ये देखो ये ब्रिज ना ब्रिटिश ने बनाया. They talk of
It's
British
because
like,
we celebrate the skills of
these
how they did the
people looted
architect.
us. They brought us to their knees.
But have they not given the finest craft to the country in terms of the building books?
I will loot you and give you a very good cloth and leave. उसको लेके तुम हाँ नंदी ने मेरे को एक क्लॉथ दे दिया. ब्रिटिश ने इस देश में जो किया खुद के फायदे के लिए किया. They built excellent roads.
So you can't cover up by just giving a token of gift and
Everything they did for this country is for their good. उन्होंने रेलवेज बनाया for their good. उन्होंने ब्रिजेस बनाया for their good. उन्होंने हमारे देश के लिए कुछ नहीं किया. उन्होंने अपने बिजनेस बढ़ाने के लिए किया.
But blessing in disguise नहीं था.
डिस्गाइज में था ना. ब्लेसिंग तो नहीं था. डिस्गाइज को डिस्गाइज ही रहने दो. उसको मानो कि डिस्गाइज में था. हम तो उसको ऐसा मानते हैं कि उन्होंने हमारे ऊपर वो किया आशीर्वाद किया. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग ऑफ हर्ड नैरेटिव्स. माय पेरेंट्स, माय ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स. लॉर्ड कर्जन ने जो ये प्रिंसेप घाट.
So you're saying our root understanding has gone wrong.
मुझे एक एग्जांपल दिखा ऑफ द ब्रिटिश रियली हैविंग सेंसिटिविटी एंड कंसर्न फॉर आवर कंट्री. बंगाल फैमिन कहाँ. दैट पर्सन जिसको हम वो करते हैं एकदम भगवान मानते हैं, विंस्टन चर्चिल. उसकी बुक्स पढ़ते हैं हम लोग. ही सेड पीपल इन इंडिया शुड डाई फॉर अ बेटर वर्ल्ड. उन्होंने बंगाल फैमिन वाज एन ऑर्केस्ट्रेटेड क्रिएटेड फैमिन बाय द ब्रिटिश पीपल. डोंट नो अबाउट इट. ये तुम हम उनको मानते हैं ब्रिटिश को. हमारे यहाँ पे कलकत्ता में बंगाल में पीपल लुक, रास्ते का नाम चेंज कर दो, कल क्रीक रो प्रिंसेप घाट, लोग रास्ते पे आ जाएंगे. हाउ डेयर यू रिनेम इनका नाम रखना. दुनिया में कहीं होता है कि कॉन्करर पे नाम रहता है. एब्सर्ड है. इट इज लाइक अफ्रीका में कॉन्गो में एक रास्ते का नाम रख दिया तुमने, जॉर्ज वाशिंगटन रोड. एब्सर्ड है. तुमको पकड़ पकड़ के धो डाला, ले गया जहाजों में, और तुम उसको ही भगवान मान रहे.
But in the present scenario also, when we do riots, as you said, na, ki the cost is big, that they said ki let the people die for a better future. In the case of violence and riots, don't we propagate the same, that let smaller group of people die for a better
No, we don't support riot and violence, but we understand the genesis of it. Nobody supports that. Nobody is saying even every single life is precious. I cannot come and say that थोड़ा लोग मरे तो अच्छा है, ऐसा नहीं. एक जन भी मरे तो खराब है. The thing is कि people who bring up these issues, they have agendas.
Okay.
देखो इशू खराब नहीं है. नर्मदा बचाओ आंदोलन इशू खराब नहीं है. There is a lot of, I myself, I love nature. I travel to natural places. I go to forests. When I started reading about Narmada Dam ने किया था, one of the first books I read about this was a book by Arundhati Roy called Bridge for 1,000 Years. Na kuch ek naam hai, I've forgotten the name of the book. It touched me immensely. There were statistics how village after village was getting drowned because of the dam. Mangroves, coastal people, fisheries, species was getting destroyed. I became a fan of Arundhati Roy. The next book I read about Arundhati Roy because of this book was God of Small Things, which is a literature book, which won Pulitzer in 1992, I guess. Amazing book. Kerala ke ek family ke upar base karke. 10 years later, I saw that this lady is an anti-national. The issue is not wrong. She hijacked the issue for her own ends. So
it changes on the course also. I think I've spoken to, when we were talking to even Kiran Bedi, she said while we started the non-corruption movement, वो non-corruption movement बीच के रास्ते में का political बन गया, and we started realizing and some of us withdrew. So the intention changes on the journey. Is it because the intensity, when Arundhati may have started, the intensity loses the ground?
you know who started the India Against Corruption movement? First person. Okay, there are two people. It was Arvind Kejriwal and Shishi Ravi Shankar ji. We don't know that. I'm telling you on record.
Anna Hazare.
No, I'm telling you on record. You check it out later. उसमें मैं कैमरा में बोल रहा हूँ ताकि ऐसा ना हो कि इसका प्रूफ ना हो. Gurudev and Arvind Kejriwal had this thing of we need to do something about corruption. Anna Hazare joined ranks and was made the face.
Okay.
If though we are not no more remembering it, the person who broke Arvind Kejriwal, Anna Hazare's fast,
Yes, was Gurudev.
was Gurudev.
I remember. He went.
IAC was these three.
He denied to break it till the end.
Yes. Getting India together against corruption, non-politically. IAC जो movement था was basically the vision of Shishi Ravi Shankar ji. Do you know who World Yoga Day हुआ? Do you know who brought up this whole genesis of World Yoga Day?
No.
Nobody knows, na? Shishi Ravi Shankar ji. He wrote a letter to the Prime Minister saying that we have a World Pizza Day. We have a World Toilet Day. But India's greatest gift to humanity, we don't have a day.
Because
then Narendra Modi ji wrote
Prime Minister acknowledged it now, going to 45 years completion of
Modi ji went to UN with this letter. And then UN gave the sanction of World Yoga Day. What I'm trying to say is people who actually reform the society stay पीछे. सामने नहीं होते. तो ये हुआ. अब मैं next stage में आ रहा हूँ. Then there was this talk of let's go political over IAC. Once Congress was brought down to the knees over the movement, then it was said let's go political over it. That was the time Gurudev said, I will not take any further names here because we are on camera. Gurudev said, Shishi Ravi Shankar ji said, शासक and सुधारक कभी सेम नहीं हो सकते. जो रिफॉर्मर है वो कभी रूलर नहीं हो सकते. Do not make it political. Stay out of politics.
Just like RSS does. एक बार वो अपने बीजेपी के लोगों बाहर करता है, which is one of its wing. They say you are out of RSS, but you're backed by RSS.
I'll come to that. I'll not take the bait. But so we stayed out of politics. So IAC should have ended there. The problem is it did not end. Evil was allowed to linger. Then AAP was formed. And Gurudev walked out of it that day. He said no. That time there was nothing wrong with AAP. But he said don't make this. And he stepped out of it. And then AAP happened and then we know the rest is history. तो ये बात clear हो गया. दूसरा क्या आपने बोला? RSS. RSS is the spine of the country. If the brain is the government, RSS is the spine. The brain decides what has to be done. The spine holds the body together.
I thought it was reverse. RSS was the brain and the government was the spine.
What I'm trying to say is RSS is holding this whole civilization together.
Through political parties?
No.
Through other wings, everything.
Through ways much beyond just working. मैं RSS के साथ जुड़ा हूँ कम ज़्यादा करके. RSS is holding this nation together. ये RSS नहीं होता ना, ये देश बिखर जाता. आपको नहीं पता 2012 में 13 में I think I've forgotten the exact year. They had coined a new term. उस term का नाम था हिंदुत्व टेरर.
अच्छा.
नाम ही आ गया था. मैं बताता हूँ कहाँ से शुरू हुआ था
हिंदुत्व
ये।
टेरर.
मैं बताता हूँ कहाँ से शुरू हुआ था ये। ग्रैहम स्टीन्स बोल के बंदा था, आपको नहीं पता होगा. ही वाज अ क्रिश्चियन मिशनरी, गुड गाय, ही used to do a lot of good things in केंद्रपाड़ा डिस्ट्रिक्ट इन ओडिशा, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग अबाउट द डिस्ट्रिक्ट. उसको बहुत ब्रूटली मार दिया था सम पीपल इनसाइड अ वैन, मारुति वैन में लॉक करके उसके बच्चों के साथ जला दिया था. आई डोंट नो हाउ मच ऑफ ट्रैक आई एम गोइंग, बट आई एम टेलिंग यू हिस्ट्री. the charge was he is a converter who ट्राइबल्स को कन्वर्ट कर रहा था, which is true, but the murder was gruesome. इस चीज को उठा के they had coined कि and some cow lynching वगैरह कुछ कुछ हो रहा था, बजरंग दल was active, तो हिंदुत्व टेरर नाम दिया था. I conducted VBI sessions that time in Calcutta and we used to raise strong exceptions to that. See, if a cricketer hits someone with a bat and kills him, you don't call it cricketing terror. You tell he killed that person. If you want to label something X with Y, both have to have an association. Right? You cannot just, like, I am not a podcast model. I just come for a podcast. You get what I'm saying? When you named Hindutva, who coined this? These are the same people. Pranab, then your Chidambaram,
Acha.
then your these same people. Then that Mani Shankar, then this
Mani Shankar.
all these guys. They named it Hindutva terror. It's not about supporting a religion or. I'm saying how much level of agenda you have to create a word like this. Hindutva terror. Extremism is unfounded in our tradition. I'm not using the word religion because there is no English word for dharma.
It's Sanatan, we say it's a way of life.
It is not a dharma. There is no, it is not there. अब तुम एक गाय को भी ना, तुम उसको पुश करते रहो, पोक करते रहो, कोई ना कोई एक टाइम पे वो एक
रिएक्ट करेगा,
दुलत्ती मारेगा. Then you cannot say that a cow is a lion or a cow is a non-veg carnivore. A cow is basically a domesticated cow जिसको तुम पोक कर करके परेशान कर दिया हो.
Then it's frustration.
तुमने गेट खोल दिया बाबरी मस्जिद का. क्यों खोल दिया? क्योंकि तुमको वो मुसलमान शाह बानो को डिफेंड करना था डिसीजन को. खुद के इंट्रा रिलीजियन एक डिसीजन को तुम्हें डिफेंड करना था बोल के तुमने बाबरी मस्जिद का गेट. कौन खोला बाबरी मस्जिद का गेट? फ्यू पीपल नो दिस. इतना लोग बीजेपी को गाली देते, बाबरी मस्जिद का गेट कौन खोला? राजीव गांधी ने खोला. Rajiv Gandhi opened.
Using political agenda.
It is very complicated how history is and how it is portrayed. I am not saying BJP बहुत अच्छा है, BJP में कोई दोष नहीं है. All I am saying is narratives.
तो यही तो Blue Star में हुआ फिर.
हुआ.
Similarly, politically you wanted to achieve some.
तुमने 88 में एलिमनी मना कर दिया, शाहबानो को एलिमनी देने से मना कर दिया. तुमने डिवोर्स को एग्री किया, ट्रिपल तलाक को. फिर तुम हिंदूज की एंगर को, because Hindus were angry because of a separate yardstick, because तुमने सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जजमेंट को ओवररूल कर दिया. बोला कि नो, मुस्लिम पर्सनल लॉ चलेगा इसमें. I'm talking of Rajiv Gandhi.
So you're calling out judicial pillar instead of we were just saying why
because तुम्हें appeasement करना है. तुम basically puppets at the hand of these people. फिर तुमने उसके लिए क्या कर दिया? तुमने बाबरी मस्जिद खोल दिया कि भाई तुम भी प्रे करो. वहां से तो शुरू हुआ. तब ना जाके आदवानी ने रथ यात्रा लगाया गांधीनगर से.
It was linked.
तो history is a mirror. History shows us what went wrong. But narrative क्या create होता है? Godra is a narrative. Babri Masjid. No one is defending. I am saying कि हुआ है. I am not saying कि.
So the justice for women in a certain religion was dragged into a whole.
It opened the gates for, and thank God it did. Thank God it did.
After every violent protest.
No, it is not about violence, because I belong to that times when it was normal to be embarrassed about anything to do with my dharma. Thank God it did. ये नहीं होता तो अद्वानी नहीं चलते. अद्वानी नहीं चलता तो कर सेवक पे गोली नहीं होता. गोली नहीं होता वहां पे लालू प्रसाद वेट नहीं करता. बिहार में पूरा चेन ऑफ इवेंट्स नहीं होता. राइट विंग पॉलिटिक्स आते नहीं. हिंदू जैसे न्यूज़पेपर रूल करते देश को. लेफ्टिस्ट चैनल चलता. अरुंधति जैसे लोग छोटे लाल से बिंदी पहन के, वो बृंदा कैरेट और ये लोग छोटे से बाल लेके हमें सरमन्स देते और देश चलाते ये मुलायम और मायावती. लूट जाता देश. ये तो बच गया इन लोग का क्या बेवकूफी है. जब तुम करप्ट हो, जब तुम गलत हो, तुमको भी नाक के नीचे पानी रखना चाहिए. एक्स्ट्रा चला गया. सेम थिंग हैपेंड विद आवर वेस्ट बंगाल गवर्नमेंट. तुम लूट रहे हो, तुम करप्शन करो ना, पानी को तो नाक के नीचे रखो. तुम इतना कर लिया कि लोगों ने तुमको, बंगाल इतना रिलक्टेंटली बीजेपी को लाया. अब इस पे एक मीम देखा मैंने कि बोलते हैं कि पूरा देश जब एंटी बीजेपी हो गया तब बंगाल प्रो बीजेपी हो गया. मतलब अब तक एवरीबॉडी वाज बीजेपी एंड बंगाल वाज
the timing went like that.
तो होना पड़ा ना. एवरेज बंगाली ऑन द रोड आल्सो वोटेड फॉर बीजेपी. तो तुम इतना गलत तो मत करो ना. तुम गलत करो.
So you think corruption तो सब गवर्नमेंट कर रही है. There's no evidence of no
करेगा,
one.
वो तो पावर करप्ट्स.
Power corrupts.
इसमें तो करप्ट.
But you're saying everything should be at least at a.
तभी तो मैंने
पानी.
सीजेपी को सपोर्ट कर रहा हूँ. इतना करप्ट ना हो जाए देश. लीड प्रेशर कुकर में थोड़ा थोड़ा कभी खुलना पड़ता है ना. वाली बात है. तो लेट्स नॉट गेट टू मच इनटू ऑल दिस. ऑल आई एम सेइंग आई नो अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. आई हैव टेकन सेशंस ऑन दैट. ऑल आई एम सेइंग इज नैरेटिव को रोको. ये तोड़ देगा देश को. लोगों को उतना ही पता है.
But media lives on narrative. I am belonging to that background.
So it's our job to correct them occasionally.
You cannot survive because you cannot commercially exist if you don't create narrative. It is about who will influence whom. See, if you get influenced, the powerful game shifts. If I can influence you.
That's always the game of influence.
कौन किसको convince या influence करेगा?
If you watch Rajat Kapoor Sharma. Rajat Sharma's initial when Modi was the chief minister
of Gujarat.
हाँ उस टाइम पे एंड उसका एक शो है और एक
शेखर गुप्ता.
नहीं शेखर गुप्ता का इसी का ही है. उसमें और एक कौन सा है दो अदालत वाला जो जनता की अदालत आपकी अदालत. उसमें एक मोदी जी का है और एक इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग सुब्रमण्यम स्वामी का. अमेजिंग शोज. पोल खोल के रख दिया है. नॉट एम्बेरेस्ड अबाउट. उसको ऐसे डायरेक्टली पूछता है कि यू सेड यू आर अ हिंदू फर्स्ट एंड देन आई एम नॉट एम्बेरेस्ड. उस टाइम पे अभी इट इज ओके टू से. You know, it sounds that I'm being divisive. But you tell me one thing. सब कुछ हटा के जहाँ पे there is our principles are established हमारे सनातन धर्म में. Have you seen that there is so less problems there? तुम एक गुजरात में riots देखा. कब हुआ था गोधरा? Which year? How many years it has been? Have you? Does anybody ever say कि what happened to Gujarat after that? याद करो. अर्थक्वेक हुआ, कितना कुछ हुआ. कभी भी तो लोग एक जितने लोग आज अभी भी बात करते हैं
गोधरा को. So the impact of that incident is so deep.
If the fault lines were there in the society, तो riots होता रहता. हाँ. How can it happen कि एक riot हुआ उसका 30 साल तक riot करा नहीं हुआ. जहां से
corrective or preventive measures by the government.
ये टाटा उठ के गया सिंगूर से 48 घंटे में जब उन्होंने पावर प्रेजेंट करके गुजरात में ले गया नैनो को. वो जिस जगह पे प्लांट लगाया टाटा ने, that is a Muslim majority place.
So maybe the government realized the mistake and the preventive measures were sharp in the state of Gujarat.
No, because it was an incident which was hijacked by people. There was people's anger organically, but then it was hijacked by the media. It was an incident. But we all want to get over it. Nobody wanted to fight on that railway compartment incident, but people remembered the Godhra carnage. क्या हो उसके बाद. आगे बढ़ो ना सोसाइटी को लेके. Fault lines यूज करने के लोग बैठे हैं.
People have also questioned Narendra Modi, then also acted late. Here also he acted late. So
separate podcast on that. वो पूरा एक 3 घंटे का है. But तुम्हें यूज करने के लिए लोग बैठे हैं. Our previous West Bengal government was hand in glove financially with the Bangladeshi government. बैठे लोग.
So
we have to be united as a country, especially एक country जो इतना divided है, इतना diverse है.
You think we are gullible
and we have fault lines.
तो एक परिवार में जैसे बहुत fault lines होंगे तो any outsider can.
Yes, caste is a fault line, economics is a fault line, language is a fault line, religion is a fault line. We have 15 fault lines.
So what is the joining space? Spirituality?
Our roots, spiritual roots. We are all the same. You know, we are all the same somewhere. If an Indian mind always believes कि अगर तुमने गलत किया तुम्हारे साथ गलत होगा. An Indian mind always believes there is a higher intelligence which is taking care of you. It doesn't matter what you call it.
Yes, every religion here says एक ओमकार जैसे सिख लोग बोलते हैं.
It is everywhere.
One energy.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. There are Hindus and Muslims who live in Sundarban. It is a delta area in Bengal. Where there is a deity of the forest which is known as Bon Bibi. Bon means jungle. One. Bon Bibi. It is their deity for the Muslims also. Have you ever heard of Muslims doing idol worship?
No.
It is their that is their god. Hindus also. No other god. It is Bon Bibi. It is in our roots. उसके बाद तो parallelly अपने जो भगवान को नाम दे. But Bon Bibi is in their roots. You go to Odisha. I'm telling you, Jai Jagannath is beyond religion. Everybody, for everyone, it is Jai Jagannath.
But it has religious prohibitions.
It doesn't.
They say we don't entertain Muslims.
That is ritualist. Ritualistically, you have to follow everything. You have to follow everything ritualistically. That doesn't mean people don't have respect in their hearts. A woman can't enter certain parts during her periods of a temple.
Yes,
It's
that's
rituals.
because of cult. Yeah.
You have to follow certain things. Uska koi basis hai. But that doesn't mean that the respect and love is not there in people. You go to anyone. I don't have to go to Odisha and think कि ये कहाँ से आते हैं to tell Jai Jagannath. You tell Jai Jagannath and people smile.
Just like in Vrindavan, Radhe Radhe.
अब तुम इसको उठा के बोलो उसको घुसने नहीं देता. अब ये जो फेमिनिस्ट वाले करते हैं हम लोग पीरियड्स में कैसे घुसते उसका बेसिस है साइंटिफिक. We'll not get into that.
Yes, we
So,
will.
it is how we are connected by our roots. We are all the same. आज तुम कोई डांस एकेडमी में जाते हो कहीं पे हमारे जो भी फॉर्म ऑफ डांस है भारतनाट्यम योर कर्नाटिक ऑल डांस इज कनेक्टेड टू प्रेयर्स.
Yes, I
It
see
starts
that.
with Saraswati Vandana. It starts with it's connected to prayers. You cannot. अभी कहीं पे हुआ था एग्जाम में. Some students said we will not pray because we from this religion or whatever. They said you cannot be a part of this.
We see a lot of preservation of culture in South India.
Yes.
In music, culture, very organic. And we see that in their behavior. What I questioned you, why our etiquettes are missing. I think in South, the etiquettes are preserved. Very naturally, I find basic etiquettes normal over there. So I think holding on to roots builds your common etiquettes.
Connected to their spiritual connection also.
Yes.
You go to temples here. यहाँ पे जाओ आप काली मंदिर all this place. पहला उनका काम है तुमसे पैसे मांगना.
हाँ.
सबसे पहला हम तुमको दर्शन कराएंगे.
बट मुझे साउथ में वो तरीके से नहीं देखा.
तो एक यूथ जो बड़ा हो रहा है उसको एक्सपोजर टू टेम्पल कल्चर इज आइदर इट इज पैसा मारना जो पुराने मान्यता वाले मंदिर है और जो नए वाले बिरला मंदिर मंदिर ये तुम्हारा ग्लॉस एंड शो. मतलब जो देखने में बहुत अमेजिंग है. कोई एक्चुअली कुछ नथिंग.
होल्डिंग ऑन टू रूट्स एक्चुअली कैन चेंज.
अच्छा हाँ फिर तुम मंदिर में पुरोहित को बोला वो क्या मंत्र पढ़ता है सिर पे समझ नहीं आता. दे डोंट हैव उच्चारण दे डोंट नो इनकंडिशन है ना. नॉर्मल एक तुम मंत्र पर दो कपल आके सडनली दे स्टार्ट सिंगिंग ऑन शिव स्तोत्रम. घर पूरा ऐसे गाते ही नहीं है. इट इज अ वेरी जेंटल प्रेयर. इट इज अ वेरी जेंटल प्रेयर.
It's ridiculing chanting. Yeah.
That's how it goes. Two people keeping French mustache coming on mic and yelling at the top of the voice, it became a national hit. You अपने धर्म को तुम मजाक उड़ा रहे हो तो बाकी लोग नहीं चाहिए ना तुमको. तुम काली मंदिर जाओ दक्षिणेश्वर से पैसा मारने के लिए पांडा बैठे.
No, you guys have actually taken a step on that. But Devarshi, I have to take you back to your roots now. Because all this coming to you, spiritual connect in you is because what built into this in your life? I mean, not just art of living. Is it only art of living that helped you connect to your roots, or was there more beyond your exploration in life that took you?
Only art of living.
Yeah.
I was not brought up or I was not born in a place where I had any either ability or opportunity to explore my roots. I was a communist at birth. I was born and brought up in a culture which questioned every moral authority and God, anything. The so-called scientific explorative mind which takes you to ruins. And I did not believe men were worthy of respect. Men means men and women. Not worthy of respect. Till I met Gurudev. And Gurudev did not click in me like an instant love at first sight. He grew on me.
Okay.
For the first time, I saw a person taking responsibility, caring for people, not saying no to any conflicts in life, being there for people, and combining all this with a smile. I've seen these qualities in people,
So
but I've
no
not
frustration,
combined
no
with a smile.
agitation.
Yes.
A lot of love.
And on his face. And I'm a very critical person. My head is always awake. I'm not a
Your face
devotional
read,
person. I'm not from the background, you know.
Yeah,
Wow,
logically,
Gurudev.
yes.
I don't have what you call as like default devotion in me. But it grew on me. I love this man.
You don't revere anyone, but this
My
man.
nature. In fact, my natural tendency is to de-revere people. Then he grew on me. And then these things came in. I became a vegetarian with time. It happened before Art of Living. Of course, my vegetarian story happened before Art of Living. But what I'm trying to say is I could see life through a new lens.
And you have explored into the wildlife world. So that added more, or that was also one seeking as a child that you told me that you grew into almost a jungle. You don't connect to the urban life more than
I used to study in
jungle.
a place which was very close to the mountains. So I liked going there on and off. And I fell in love with that. I realized that we just one species who shares this world with a lot of others. And if we are at the top of this whole species race, then that automatically means we need to see whoever is most powerful has to be most responsible. If we say I am at the top of the food chain, if I am say I am the most powerful, then it automatically becomes my priority to protect and care for those who are not. So if there is a human being who believes that because I am most powerful, I have the right to cut down, kill, destroy, slaughter and use it for my own good, then he or she is not worthy of being.
And what about society के लिए, क्योंकि mining areas आप बोले जंगल में mining areas भी थे, a lot of them have been protected.
Sustain करो. What is the biggest contributor to global warming in the world today? बताओ, answer करो. Name one biggest contributor to global warming. I will tell you with statistics. You go and check Google later.
Resource exploration.
No, one. I'm saying one thing. One thing of one human activity.
Deforestation.
No, deforestation तो हो रहा है. What my question is, what is it? Like, is it industries? What is the biggest contributor?
Industrial growth.
No. Get surprised, you go to Google. The biggest contributor to destroying this planet today is non-vegetarians.
Oh.
You don't know that because it's not a narrative. Because it's a narrative of my choice.
Yeah,
it's not your choice.
I was saying
it is not your choice. Because why it's not your choice? Because the planet is finite. Water is finite. Soil is finite. Species are finite. You cannot say it is my choice. I can only say it is like saying I will do something wrong with you and it is my choice. I can't do that.
नहीं, but हम तो balance कर economy को balance the cycle by killing animals is what the theory they non-vegetarians.
We are not killing animals on a natural order. We are creating them. It's an industry. You're not going to the village catching a chicken and killing it. You are raising children to kill it, chickens to kill it. So the whole non-veg we call it the non-veg industry. We don't say it is non-vegetarian food. It's an industry. So what is an industry is made by you, for your greed, for your taste. So this is not natural to the world order. No. A lion is not raising deers to kill it.
It's naturally.
A deer is not raising grass to eat it. वो natural है. इंसान उसमें आके शुरू कर दिया. हम तो ये बकवास नॉन वेजिटेरियंस का जो भी आर्गुमेंट है ना वो एक्सट्रीम लेवल ऑफ हिपोक्रेसी एंड कन्वीनियंस कुछ भी लगा दे प्लांट्स हैव फीलिंग्स ब्ला ब्ला सो एनीवेज कमिंग टू द पॉइंट I fell in love with the forest. I realized that there are places in the world where species can live the way they want to. There are fishes in the water, there are butterflies in bushes, there are animals, there are deers, and it is lovely to watch.
And now we use it as trekking spots.
No, it's a good thing.
So does it help?
Yeah, it exposes you to that.
No, does it help you self-connect? Should youngsters now go on trekking in wildlife more?
Depends
where should
on
they
why
go?
They're going. If they're
to
going
find
for,
themselves.
Or they may be going for better Insta reels. Or nowadays this thing has started off making stranger trips. To connect.
networking.
Stranger trip to Thailand.
It's called solo trip in groups.
हाँ तो उसमें क्या होता है इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं लोग बोलते ये तो खराब है ना खराब नहीं अच्छा चीज़ है but thing is you will get nothing out of it.
अच्छा.
The purpose is defeated. It is you taking me to a media conference and I am trying to flirt with a girl. The whole purpose of taking it is wasted.
So what exactly is going to these wildlife places? What
अरे
do
ये
you
सब
get?
बंद कर देना चाहिए. ये नॉर्थ में जो सरकार ने किया ना 4 धाम यात्रा का 6 हाईवे कर दिया डिस्ट्रॉय कर दिया है. तुम्हें पता है शिमला और 4 धाम यात्रा के लिए शिमला तक 6 लेन कर दिया है.
टूरिज्म
क्या बोलते हैं उसको देहरादून से नहीं दिल्ली से देहरादून का कॉरिडोर बना दिया है. उसमें एक जंगल आता है वो क्रेजी है. ये दिस गवर्नमेंट हैज डिस्ट्रॉयड द इन द नेम ऑफ डेवलपमेंट. ये करके तुमने देखो तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो माउंट एवरेस्ट पे. अब तुम्हारे लिए एस्केलेटर बना दिया माउंट एवरेस्ट जाने के लिए. तो तुम हो गया ना माउंट एवरेस्ट खत्म. तो वही हो गया.
स्विट्जरलैंड में तो ट्रेन बना हुआ है जुंगफ्रू जाने के लिए.
वो अलग है. स्विट्जरलैंड में जितने लोग जाते हैं एक सिंगल ट्रेन. हमारे यहाँ पे हाईवेज मतलब ढाबा फ्यूलिंग स्टेशन पेट्रोल पंप 6
पूरा कमर्शियल दुनिया इकोनॉमी.
उसमें मैं जाते नहीं हूँ सब जगह पे. ट्रैकिंग में उस दिन मैंने लास्ट वीक पढ़ा एक दिन में 3000 लोग क्लाइंब माउंट एवरेस्ट. मैं माउंट इससे कम लोग तो धर्मतला में घूमते हैं. मतलब दिस इज व्हाट दे आर डूइंग टू नेचर. नेचर रहेगा नहीं तो.
सो दे डोंट एक्सपीरियंस नेचर आल्सो.
बंद कर दो. Close it. It is not sustainable. हजारों लोग फ्रॉम दिल्ली पंजाब चंडीगढ़ गोइंग एवरी वीकेंड. तुम तो देखे ही होंगे विंटर में मनाली के सामने रास्ते का क्या हाल होता है मसूरी के सामने. इट इज नॉट सस्टेनेबल.
चारों धाम में I saw this time there was like queues till kilometers and women are dying in that
Nature is very delicate. स्नो नहीं बन रहा है अब. तुम्हारे गुलमर्ग में स्कीइंग बंद हो गया है.
तो टूरिज्म कहाँ से लाए शहरों का.
हमारे देश में फिलहाल 15 साल तो बंद रखो ये नेचुरल टूरिज्म. बिकॉज हमारे लोगों में ना समझ है. हमारे लोगों को वही सब खाना होता है. हमारे यहाँ से बंगाली जाएगा तो उधर भी जाके उसको बंगाली चिकन चाहिए. मारवाड़ी जाएगा इधर भी आके उसको दाल. इट्स नॉट टूरिज्म. सस्टेनेबल टूरिज्म के नाम पे क्या चल रहा है. पैकेट में खाना दे रहा है. इंडियन रेलवे सबको पैकेट में डाल के खाना खिला रहा है. ऐसे ही खिलाओ यार. फिर तुम देखियो द अमाउंट ऑफ वेस्ट जनरेटेड फ्रॉम अ सिंगल एसी कंपार्टमेंट ऑफ अ ट्रेन. ये अनसस्टेनेबल है. इफ पीपल आर नॉट टॉट टू रिस्पेक्ट नेचर, हमको स्पून दो, हमको ये दो, खाने में नमक नहीं है, हमको एक पैकेट में वो दो.
So in a natural experience where you go, you are able to habitat.
साउथ में वैसा नहीं है. साउथ में वाई? बिकॉज एवरीथिंग इज लिंक्ड टू द स्पिरिचुअल रूट्स.
Okay.
द फॉरेस्ट आर प्रोटेक्टेड बाय डीटीज.
Wow.
यक्षगना परफॉर्मेंसेस हैपन इन फॉरेस्ट्स. कांतारा मूवी देखे हो आपने? देखना वो मूवी. वो आश्रम में
I like the song of that movie.
उसके लास्ट में देखना. दोज अष्टलक्ष्मी के साथ है लोगों में. सो व्हेन यू कनेक्टेड टू स्पिरिचुअलिटी, हमारे तो हमेशा से था. भगवान सूर्य भी भगवान है, चंद्रमा भी भगवान
I
है.
think even Northeast has adopted the Ashtalakshmi
हाँ,
concept.
इट इज देयर. तो जब तुम स्पिरिचुअलिटी से जोड़ लो ना उसको, तब वो हो गया, बच गया. और जब तक तुम उसको एक्सप्लॉइट करो, हम पैसे के लिए करते रहेंगे, तो एक दिन खत्म हो जाएगा. खत्म हो गया, कोई नहीं जाता शिमला. अभी हम पीछे पड़े. न्यू ट्रेकिंग रूट्स है ओपनड. बेसिकली यू आर सीइंग न्यू नाइव्स हैव बीन पुश्ड इनटू हिमालयास. तो ऐसा नहीं होता.
What is your message now on Independence Day 1 and for the whole youth? Because the conversations can never end. But what do you want to say? You've said it all. But how do you want to leave everyone? Because everybody is now in the space of anxiety, depression, hurt. सब कुछ चल रहा है. So what is one way when you awaken? I think the whole show goes like Awakening India. So what is your message for Awakening
Just
India?
get in touch with the spiritual reconnect. These things cannot be helped by debate, discussion. सब तो है, but the biggest, you asked one message, the biggest, most efficient way to handle this problem is to connect to your meditation and yoga. Learn it from a person who has that skill and the mastery over it. Not read YouTubes and learn it, but finally it is your spiritual connect. See, all I am sitting here and staying on the platform is a cumulative effect of my spiritual upbringing. I do not take any credit for it. I am not a person capable of understanding these things or rationally working out these solutions. I have just been gifted these things by my guru and my master and my spiritual path. So I would tell everyone, connect spirituality to your own life, ingrain it, make it a part of your life, your life will blossom. ये सब चीज का कोई अंत नहीं है. Conflict चलता रहेगा. That's why I said Rahul Gandhi sorted. I said it seriously. Sort out your life. And with a bigger vision. सिर्फ अपना विजन नहीं, विजन बड़ा करो.
But connect with the larger one which is there. Like
Yes,
connect with the
देश सेवा में
energy.
लग जाओ. देश सेवा क्या है? लोग का सेवा. If
It
you
is
see
the patriotism
someone-
is
you see
not my
someone on the
India.
road, speak nicely to him. You see a waiter serving you in the restaurant, ask him 2 questions. When you are eating somewhere at a restaurant, tell that guy food कितना अच्छा है. छोटे छोटे चीज. हर चीज में मैं पैसा दे रहा हूँ बोल के I have the
So
command over it.
patriotism
ऐसा
is no
नहीं.
more limited to army.
No, of course not. Army is just here to protect you and make you become patriotic. Army is not here to be patriot. Army is a pillar of patriotism. A pillar's function is to doesn't have any role in your living. Pillar is to help you to live in a house. The army is the pillar. You have to build the house.
So seva is the word for patriotism.
Seva is the word for patriotism and देश को भगवान रूप में देखना. जैसे वंदे मातरम. We are saying you are a mother. You're a mother. So it's like that. People say we have a problem. You look up to your mother. You don't say there is nobody except one. Mother is also mother. No, तो देश भी तो माँ है. जननी है ना. देश ने तो रखा है तुमको. नहीं तो तुम ऐसे पागलों की तरह घूमते रहोगे. ये जो लोग इतने गाली देते हैं, सब बोलते देश है बोल के तुमको रखा है. नहीं तो निकाल देते. चाइना में होते.
They want to go
तो तुमको
abroad
अगले
and-
दिन तुम्हारा पता नहीं होता तुम कहाँ हो.
Because
So, you know,
most
we need
people
to be
want to go
grateful.
abroad and study. So you
जाए ना,
think
अच्छी बात
ठीक है.
We need
Or
people
come
to
back
go
to your
out.
mother.
नहीं, नहीं, मत. Go there. मैं तो जिस जो भी बोलता है वो देर अच्छा ना जाओ. Because हमारे देश में ऐसे भी लोग थोड़ा एक्सपोर्ट करने में अच्छे हैं. But it is good. No issues.
After talking to you, I think I'll be more conscious what we are importing and exporting. But thank you so much.
Thank
I
you
think
so
we'll have
much.
more sessions. And I hope some of the sessions we get to do something where we have you hosting it and trekking it. I want to see a trekking experience of youngsters with you.
बस यही बात है.
You will not let them have anything artificial.
Nightmare for me.
Nightmare for them.
Do need to have it for them also. उनकी तो बजा दूंगा.
Yeah.
चलो.
Thank you so much.